Baking is about more than ingredients. It's about creativity, connection, and the simple joy of bringing people together. At Dawn Foods, we share that passion, partnering with bakers around the world to understand their challenges and help turn ideas into reality. When Sandy's Donuts, a third-generation family-owned bakery, needed to scale production while staying true to their handcrafted recipes, they turned to Dawn.
Dawn's helped us a lot because I think they know what we want. They know that we care a ton about quality, and they're gonna help us kind of figure out what ingredients to use to make the best possible product. They now make the angel icing in-house rather than us making it, so we could get back to doing what we do best and making great donuts.
For more than 50 years, Bit of Swiss has delivered European-style pastries to consumers in the U.S. When they wanted to evolve their offerings while honoring their beloved traditions, they needed a partner who understood both the craft of baking and the market.
Dawn has been great by introducing a lot of new products, recipes. They're really up on the trends. Their social media is huge. They've helped us a lot with that. They're always consistent. They always give us the best quality ingredients. And that really trickles down to our customers, which are really the heart of this bakery.
La Carroz, a bakery chain with over 200 locations in Mexico City, needed a partner who could ensure consistent quality at scale.
Los productos de Dawn nos han dado la calidad que esperan nuestros clientes. Tal es así que los clientes preguntan en algunas de las sucursales directamente por las roscas o por los panqués que se ofrecen. Y esto nos permite aumentar nuestra venta ofreciendo esos productos de calidad.
We are Dawn Foods, your partner for bakery success.